Hey, what's up YouTube? Alright, today we've got a Samsung front load washing machine, and I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to replace the water valves on this machine. So first of all, what we're going to want to do is we're going to go back to the back side of this, and you're going to see that it has these larger bolts here. One, two, no, I call them bolts, but they're actually screws. They're Phillips head screws. So we're going to take those out, and then we're going to slide this cover off. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. It may take a little bit of force to get this top cover off, but usually if you just kind of put your hand towards the middle of it, kind of push on both sides, I'm trying to do this one-handed here. Now we get that pop there, and we can take this top off here. So once we take that top off, we've got our water valves that are exposed on the back side here. So these water valves, you've got your cold side here, and you've got your hot side here. Each one of these valves is 120 volts AC. So if you want to take your meter, you can test out each one of those, and they are color coded. So maybe if you replace this and you forgot maybe to take a picture of it, these are actually color coded: white, yellow, blue, red over there, and then we've got our red for our hot water side here. So let me show you exactly how to take that water valve out of there. All right, so you can see our different water valves. We've got orange over here for hot, we have blue over here for cold. Now all you simply have to do is just take your Phillips head screwdriver, take out this side. Be really careful. These are really small screws, so we can take that one out, and then we can take this one out. So now that's going to release this water valve, and you'll be able to work on it from the inside here. Okay, now that we've got that loose back there, we can just simply take this out, hold it in our hand right there, take this connector off, our blue one, red one, all of that, and then you can move this wire harness out of the way, and you've got your water valve assembly right there. Now you just take a pair of needle nose pliers and you get each one of those water lines off. Again, important, make sure you take pictures. Those are not color coded, so again, you'll want to take a picture with the phone or something like that to get that down. All right, and once you do all that, put it all back together, then you can come back in here and put all of our connectors back on. All right, so we've got it here. Now all we're going to do is simply put those small little screws back in. I always try to start it here. You can actually see on the inside, if you're looking, where that screw is coming in. Get it lined up with your water valve. And we've got that side tight there. Move to our other side. Get that one nice and tight, and there you go. So then we're simply going to put our top cover back on. Okay, so we've got our water valve all put back on. Now we're going to put our top cover back on. And this has little grooves on this side, and it has little grooves on this side as well. So when you pop this thing back on there, it's got to be seated in those in order for this to seat properly. I'm going to try to do this one-handed here. Got it with a little knee help there, and now it's all in there nice and tight. Okay, simply put those two screws back in the back here, one right here, one right there, and you've just now replaced the water valves on your Samsung front load washing machine.